Tutorial number 9. In this tutorial I will discuss about circle profiles tools in CATIA. So let's start this discussion. So first of all, I choose the plane, uh, fit this. I'll choose the plane XY, select a sketch. Now you can able to see there is some most of the commands is not available here, so you can go to tools, or else we can find it from here, or else you can go to tools, or else you can insert from there. I will discuss about this profile circle, and this all are the types of circle profile. So now you can click from here. So now if it will come, then it's okay, or else we can select insert. See, now it came here. So these all are types of circle profile. So now here circle, all are the types of circle here. See this, I will choose this circle. Click escape. Now you can, if you want to give a constraint, you can take a constraint and give a double click, and you can give a diameter. So this is your circle, and I will go to another command. There is a second point, 3-point circle. Click the 3-point circle, 1 point, 2 point, and this is the third point. Whichever the point you want to give based on your requirement, you can give. So this is the third point. If you want to give a dimension, then you can go to constraint. You can give a constraint value here. Now another circle using coordinates. So click this. So based on the coordinates, we can measure from the origin. So this is the origin. From the origin, suppose I'll give a 10 mm height, and 20 mm I can give a width. A radius you can give 20 mm. Now if you click, so this is the x-axis, x value 10, y value 20, and diameter 20. Click OK. Now here, see, this is the circle diameter. You can measure the dimension. See, the dimension is 40, radius I given 20, so diameter is 40, and this length is 10, and this is will be the 20. I will I will discuss one more. So this one, circle using coordinate. So if you give the 20 mm length and 20 mm width, and diameter I'll take it 5 mm radius. So this is our coordinate, x-axis 20, y-axis 20 of this point, and then diameter will be the radius 5, diameter 10. So this is called coordinate using circle. Now another one I have, this one, tree tangent circle. So I'll select this one. So now here I will make a circle here, and there is a 3 circle. So I will touch this circle, and I will make one tangent circle. So click this point, this line, and last one this line. So it will be tangent to the all 3 lines. Or else you can choose a line something like this, and like this, and one more like this. So now I will choose the tangent circle. So now I'll choose this one line, second line, This is the third line. So now you can see this line is a tangent to the circle. So all three lines is a tangent to the each other of this circle. So this is called tangent circle. And this is the fifth point. We have 3-point arc. So this 3-point arc mostly in all the AutoCAD program, generally it is used most of the times. Click this 3-point arc, and now we can click one point, then this is second point, and you can, if you move the cursor this side, so circle will move like this. So you can choose based on the requirement. So this is the 3-point arc, and choose one more. So this is the 3-point arc. So this one is completed. Now another line, another option, we have 3-point arc starting with limits. So click this and give a one limit, second limit, and then you can measure the given limits value where you want, and this will be the half of the circle or coordinate of the circle. This part will be invisible. Then if you want to make a circle, complete circle, so you can click circle profile, I need to check out where is that here. So if you want to complete this circle, so then you can go to 3 points arc. You can choose one point, this, second point this, and third point you can choose this. So it will be the complete circle. So now I will go with the this 3-point arc with the limits is done. Now we have the last one is the arc tools, arc circle. So click this arc. Now if you want to make an arc, you can make different based on your requirement how much arc you want. So I'll draw once again. You can choose, give a dimension directly from here, or else you can measure from the mouse, and you can give it radius, and see this is the this is the height, and this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis, and here it is the radius. So you can give it based on your requirement. So these all are the types of profile circle. So this is circle, this is the 3-point circle, and this is the circle using coordinate. This is the tangent circle, 3-point circle, 3-point with limit, and this is the arc. So I hope you guys understand this profile circle. So I will continue in another tools or another commands in CATIA in tutorial number. This is the tutorial number 9. So in the next tutorial number 10, I will discuss another tools command. Thank you for watching.